Hey everyone, this is DIYer Gregory. Christmas is around the corner and you don't have a clue what to get that person. I'm going to show you how to take some home ingredients and make your own personal bath bomb for that special person. Let's go. So you're wondering, Greg, bath bombs? Well, here's the thing. Everybody loves bath bombs. Everybody loves to take a nice bath. But what you pay for them, you can make them yourself. So that's why I created this channel. I can do that. Yes, you can. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It takes a few minutes just to mix up a simple ingredients from your kitchen cabinet and you're good as gold. So let's get started. The recipe I'm using today, these are the ingredients you're going to need. Epsom salt, anti-version. If you have CBD version, you can use that. Citric acid, baking soda, coconut oil, bentonite clay, the forms, coloring, essential oils, and any accessories you want to use, and it's all to your personal preference. And you also need a large mixing bowl, and the whole thing is real simple. We need 6 cups of baking soda, now we're going to add 1 cup of Epsom salt. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of citric acid. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of bentonite clay. Now we're going to put in 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of essential oils. I'm going to do 1½ of orange and 1/2 of vitamin E. Alright, I'm going to mix this all up and I'm going to do 2 batches. And with those 2 batches I am going to separate and do 2 to 3 different colors. And you almost want this to be almost like wet sand. Now I also grabbed a bottle of witch hazel to kind of use that as your bonding agent. Get that nice and mixed. Now everything in here is natural, good for the skin, won't cause any problems. Now everything I'm using today was for my own personal preference, so whatever you want to use for someone, you're more than welcome to change it up. But the basic recipe that I'm going to have at the bottom of the screen is what I have here. So this is real simple to make. And when you grab it, you want it to almost clump. Yeah, we're almost there. Add a little bit more. Once again, witch hazel without alcohol. And this is a great project to do with the kids if you want to do something nice for mom or the girlfriend or girlfriend and the mom or whoever. Add a little bit more. And I think we're ready to start making some bath bombs. Now that recipe asks for 1/8 teaspoon of coloring. Now I'm going to do this to eye. And you start mixing. Now you see the colors that we have. It's at the consistency that I want. That's nice and right. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some gloves and we're going to start packing the form. So now I have my molds and I have an old muffin pan, so what I'm going to do is now start packing. So what you want to do Kind of not too hard, but not too soft. Take your other one. And now you're gonna force together. And I'm going to let that sit for a minute and then go on to my next one. Now I'm going to do one half and half, so get that nice and packed. And then I'll do this. That nice, it smells real good. Squeeze. Wipe off some of that excess. And then now, once this hardens, you can keep it in the case in this holder, and that can be your Christmas ornament for someone, or if not, we're going to take this out. But right now I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes. Get that cleaned up. That's a pretty color. Get that ready. There. Well, everybody, this is it. As you can see, these came out really pretty. They're nice size. I'm so proud of myself, I don't even know what to do. Now, if I can do this, you can do this. So what's our motto? I can do that. Yes, you can. Now, for the holiday season, you can decorate them any kind of way. You can use whatever colors you want, what smells, fragrances. It's all up to you. So you can personalize them the way you want. Well, that's it for me today. I hope this was a great tip, and I hope to see you guys soon. Once again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I need all the help that you can provide. If I don't see you guys before the end of the year, Happy New Year.